to the video. In today's video, I'm going over the Nerf Elite 2.0 Phoenix CS-6. This is a flywheel operated, magazine fed semi-auto blaster. Let's get into the review. Starting off, this blaster is included with the scope, blaster, 3 packs of darts, and instructions. Now, guys, this blaster takes 4 AA batteries. You have to unscrew this. Like, it's kind of hard for my fingers to try and get it out, but I'm using my knife because it's like much more easier. I do this and then I just hold on. Then I just pick it out. Hold on. Hold on, guys. There we go. Here we go. There we go. You have little things. Then you put your 4 AA batteries in there. Two go to the opposite side, and then two go to the other. As y'all see, that's how you put it in. And you slightly just put it back in, because it had like a little detached part right there. We'll just attach it right up there. Oh. Okay, now. Put it back. That's how it goes. Now, hey guys, in the front, I'm take this off. Now, in the front, there is the Instruct Tactical Glove, so you put like attachments on, like the modulus back there. Yep. Then, now, guys, on top here, there are a few tactical rails. There's one right here, 2, 3, 4, 5 back here too. Yeah, it's 5. Then you have your little access part, the access door, to check out any jams. But this access door is kind of weird because sometimes wait, no, it's not. Okay, because I thought it might come off because then now. Once you put the batteries in, they sound like so. This blaster is just like the Nerf Elite Strike or Instruct Type, I think it's called. And oh, here's your button to let go of the magazine. All you gotta do is press it down. Then let it go out. this is I'm guessing that, okay, this is a 6-round, a new magazine with like a little blue holding port for it. Now I'm load this gun. Okay, this is 4. The color of these new bullets we have in the Nerf now. I really like the bullets, the colors. That's one more. That's all it takes. 6. Then once you put it in, you're good to shoot. Now it's kind of weird how the batteries are up here, because there's like a little draw of weight, because if you want to hold like this, that's fine, but when you hold with one hand, you can feel the weight of the battery just falling down. It's kind of weird. Oh, and it has a this blaster is good with every N-Strike magazines. Now, when I shot this gun, it shot at about 71 feet per second. Now I'm gonna let y'all see that. This blaster has an N-Strike stock, so you can put like any kind of stock, like the one, like, trying to see where I point at. Right there. I was trying to see where it was. Now, guys, that's it. That's all I have for you today. But now this scope is kind of cool. I like how they add like a new thing. So guys, that's all I have for you today, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.